Welcome to the vibrant world of the Endler Livebearer.
The beautiful fish originates from the freshwater bodies of Venezuela.
The species offers an incredibly vibrant and wild color palette.
Bright neon orange spots cover the small body beautifully.
The tiny fish reaches a maximum size of just 3 centimeters.
A highly striking black horizontal mark splits the vibrant colors.
Notice the glowing neon green patch located near the tail.
The unique tail fin features beautiful split orange edges.
Male Endler displays the absolute most intense neon colors.
The female Endler features a much larger and plain silver body.
The female features a prominent dark gravid spot near the belly.
Always keep a mixed group of males and females together.
Unlike regular guppies, the Endler prefers the middle water layer.
Dense Java fern leaves provide an excellent natural habitat.
A large patch of Java moss creates a perfect safe zone.
Provide a minimum tank volume of 20 gallons or 75 liters. The highly active fish requires a vast open swimming space.
Maintain the water temperature comfortably between 18 and 28 degrees.
The hardy species adapt seamlessly to slight temperature changes.
The highly adaptable fish accepts a wide pH range.
Endler thrives completely in very hard mineral-rich water.
The species demonstrates an incredibly high level of water adaptability.
The omnivorous fish eagerly accepts tiny crushed commercial flakes.
Microscopic live Daphnia trigger the natural hunting instincts perfectly.
The fish will gently nibble on soft green algae patches.
Freeze-dried bloodworms provide excellent protein for vibrant colors. The energetic school competes playfully for floating food items.
The completely peaceful nature makes the fish ideal for community tanks. The fish completely ignores delicate ornamental shrimp tank mates.
The male performs a highly energetic zigzag courtship dance constantly. The male displays the colorful fins widely to impress the female.
Dense green moss provides excellent hiding spots for pregnant females.
The incredible species gives birth to live fully formed fry.
The tiny fry immediately seek cover within the aquatic plants.
Unlike regular guppies, the Endler rarely eats the newborn babies.
Specialized microscopic baby food helps the fry grow rapidly.
Juvenile males start showing the first hint of orange color quickly.
The neon colors look absolutely stunning against a dark substrate.
The forgiving nature makes the fish an exceptional beginner choice.
The active fish provides endless, energetic motion to the aquascape. The fish swims vigorously against the gentle filter flow.
The curious fish checks every single plant leaf for food.
The fish looks exactly like a tiny swimming neon sign.
A massive school creates a highly dynamic and colorful display.
Always avoid housing the Endler with regular guppies to prevent crossbreeding.
Keeping the species separate maintains the pure wild genetic bloodline.
A clean and perfectly plump belly indicates excellent dietary health.
The boundless energy allows continuous swimming throughout the entire day.
Routine weekly water changes keep the active fish entirely healthy. The fish carefully explores the tiny natural caves in the hardscape.
The highly responsive fish swims quickly to greet the owner.
During the night cycle, the fish rests calmly near the gravel.
The morning lights instantly awaken the energetic Endler fish. Color-enhancing LED lights make the neon patterns visually explode. The perfect symmetrical body shape is a highly impressive natural marvel. The calm fish interacts peacefully with daily tank maintenance tools.
Floating green leaves provide soothing comfort and excellent overhead cover. Completely transparent pectoral fins move rapidly to maintain perfect balance.
The fish reacts very quickly to sudden shadows passing overhead.
The confident fish always returns quickly to the open water.
The fish looks like a tiny aquatic jewel, moving silently.
The Endler serves as the absolute perfect dynamic DES tank centerpiece. A large school brings an undeniable and highly vibrant tropical energy indoors.
A pristine environment maintains the beautifully clear, delicate fin structures.
Highly oxygenated water ensures the absolute best health condition.
The large school establishes a highly peaceful and gentle hierarchy.
Behold the wild and highly majestic beauty of the incredible Endler.
The distinct clear eye structure indicates perfect long-term health.
The agile fish darts rapidly to the surface to catch falling insects.
Peaceful Corydoras catfish make fantastic bottom-dwelling tank companions. The Endler provides a highly accessible entry point into the aquarium hobby.
The Endler demonstrates why Livebearers remain incredibly popular worldwide.
The highly curious fish explores every single small crevice within the rock hardscape. The fish waits eagerly right at the designated feeding ring every afternoon.
The incredible neon colors completely overpower the dark green background. Once relaxed, the fish spreads out widely across the middle water column.
The fish provides an endless display of dynamic motion to static layouts.
Thank you for exploring the wild and beautiful freshwater fish species.
Hit the bell to join the massive global aquatic fish keeping community.
Do you prefer the Endler or the regular guppy? Tell us below.
The Endler Livebearer is a true 5-star addition for beginners.
See you in the absolute next amazing and exciting aquatic adventure.
Stay highly passionate about the incredible and highly rewarding aquarium keeping hobby. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing beginner fish care guides.
The fish completely ignores the delicate leaves of expensive aquatic plants.
A rapid turn reveals the sleek and highly aerodynamic side profile.
A slight color fade indicates that the water quality is dropping.
The schooling group forms a perfectly tight defensive ball when briefly startled.
Slightly dimmed and warmer lighting brings out the absolute brightest neon colors.
Male fish occasionally perform harmless mock battles to establish dominance.
The fish swims continuously without showing any signs of resting fatigue.
The classic torpedo shape is perfectly built for continuous mid-water swimming.
The fish often avoids overly bright aquarium lighting by seeking plant cover.
Species brings an incredible level of sophistication to the entire layout. The fish looks exactly like a tiny swimming nobleman adorned in neon robes.
The Endler serves as the absolute perfect dynamic biotope centerpiece.
Always remember to appreciate the small details in your beautiful aquarium.
Keep your water clean and your fish incredibly happy.
Nature provides the absolute best inspiration for any home aquarium setup.
The Aquatic Lee. Happy fish keeping.